Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss another strategic leadership framework, that is the Vroom-Yetton Decision Model, like optimizing team participants for better business outcomes. So let's get started. So we will be going through the strategic overview, like with determination of when to lead, when to consult, and when we have to collaborate. So three pillars of decision success. First is decision quality, the importance of the technical or rational aspects of the final outcome. Another is team commitment, the necessity of subordinate buy-in for successful implementation, and time constraints is the most important, like the level of urgency and the window of opportunity for making the call. Autocratic decision making. So there are two top forms of style. One is A1 and another is A2. A1 is refers to as direct and A2 is for informed. These styles prioritize speed and efficiency when the leader possesses sufficient expertise or the decision lacks critical team stakes. The first one is A1. You solve the problem alone using information currently available. And A2, that is informed. You obtain data from the team but make the final choice unilaterally. Like it's a form of collaborative thing. Consultative decision making. There are two styles in this one also, C1 and C2. The C1 stands for individual style and C2 stands for group. Consultation bridges the gap between authority and inclusion, gathering diverse perspective to enhance the decision quality. C1 is like individual, consult with relevant team members one-on-one before deciding alone, and C2 is group, bring the group together for input and make the final call yourself. Now we have come to the group consensus model, that is called G2 style, that is total collaboration. The leader acts purely as a facilitator, sharing the problem with the group and working together to reach a consensus decision when to use. High commitment is vital and the team shares the organizational goals and outcome, maximum buy-in and shared accountability for the best results. Navigating the decision tree. Leaders must answer these 7 diagnostic questions to find the optimal path. The first one is decision quality. Is the nature of the solution critical? Leader info. Do you have enough info to decide alone? Like the information is with you that you can spearhead or go ahead with the same information and proceed further. Structure. Is the problem well defined or unstructured? Like if the problem is pointing to a objective or single objective, or it is having a collaborative type of diverse outputs. Commitment. Is buy-in essential for implementation? Buy-in probability. Would a solo call be accepted by the team? Like whether if I think to decide on it, whether it will be acceptable by the team or not. Goal congruence. Does the team share your objective? Like the team also must be sharing my objective also. Conflict. Is conflict likely among subordinates? Like if there will be any conflict arisen after the decision has been made. Participant spectrum comparison. So here will be give a comparison on participation spectrum. The one is A1, autocratic 1. Involvement level is none. Decision responsibility is leader solo. A2, autocratic 2 is called, stand for low information only, leader solo. C1, consultative, medium individual involvement level, and leader solo could be decision responsibility. C2 is consultative, and again the involvement level is medium and decision responsibility relies with the leader. G2 collaborative, high consensus and group consensus. So the decision responsibility belongs to the group. Process impact analysis. Decision velocity is given by A1, A2. Like it gives you the speed, 95% of speed. Team commitment is 90% buy-in. Quality accuracy C2 and G2. And risk reduction, if you want to have risk reduction, C1 and C2 are the best. Like calibrate your style based on whether you need speed, buy-in or analytical depth. Based on what your requirements are, you can choose your process to proceed ahead. Balancing participations. The benefits of balancing participation will be maximize diverse expert input, build high organizational commitment, reduces the knowledge gap risk, enhances team morale and trust. Challenges which will be having in this, like significant time investment required, potential for groupthink or conflict, risk of accountability dilution, and slower response in crisis situations. 5 steps implementation process. First, you need to define, clarify the specific problem or decision or goal. Then diagnose, run the 7 question diagnostic matrix that we just went through in the previous slides. Then select, choose a style, whether A1 G2 based on the result, A1 to G2 based on the results. Execute, facilitate the chosen participation level, and then review, evaluate the decision quality and buy-in. The path forward, questions and discussions. The best leadership style is the one that fits in the situation, right? Contact the leadership excellence team. So essential steps to measure strategic success is set clear objectives, identify key performance indicators, set targets, establish a measurement system, assess customer perspective, engage employees as strategic partners, leverage analytics and dashboards, gather market insights, and regularly review and adjust standards. Okay, these are some essential steps to measure the strategic success. Our partner contact the leadership excellence team for framework workshops and coaching support, right? Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share, subscribe to my channel. If you found this video helpful, please do share with your colleagues, teammates, students, or anywhere you find useful.